Hi, to set up Face Unlock on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, just open Settings on the phone and here choose Tab Security and Privacy. After that, you will need to select Device Unlock and go in Biometrics and Password, just by tapping it. And now we need to select face recognition, but before we do this, make sure that you set screen lock first. In my case, it is pattern. Now let's pick face recognition and draw my pattern. So, make sure the camera lens is clean, your face is unobstructed, and the environment is well lit without direct sunlight. Also, you can enable here raise to wake feature if needed. Each time you'll raise your phone, the screen will wake up. Let's get started. And now you need to hold the device between 25 to 45 centimeters away and setup complete. Also, you can enable it with mask or set up later. And now we can choose for what we want to use face recognition. For unlocking device, for accessing app log, autofill usernames and passwords, and show notifications. We can enable this to only show the content of lock screen notifications when your face is recognized. Also, you can set an alternative look here, set with a mask, delete facial data, and enable low light compensation. Now let's try this out. I'm gonna lock my phone and try to unlock it with the help of my face. And yeah, it's working. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.